In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Substack Wordmark. Whether you're setting up your Substack publication for the first time or refreshing your existing setup, designing a proper wordmark is a crucial step to make sure your publication stands out. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Substack dashboard. This is your hub for managing your publication, and it's easily accessible by logging into your Substack account. Once you're in your dashboard, look at the menu at the top of the page. You'll see a number of options, but the one we're interested in is labelled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Now, after clicking on Settings, a new set of options will appear on the left side of the screen. From this list, locate Website. Clicking on this will bring up various customization settings related to how your Substack publication looks and feels to your audience. Now, here's where we get into the heart of the task, the Publication Wordmark section. Scroll through the website settings until you find this section. In order to add your wordmark, look for a button that says Add Image. Clicking this will open up the file upload interface on your device. At this stage, you'll need to choose the file that you want to use as your wordmark. This is typically a graphic or logo that represents your brand identity. Make sure that you have it ready on your computer so you can easily upload it. Once you've selected the file, follow the upload prompts to get it into Substack. After you've uploaded your image, it will automatically be placed at the top of your newsletter and homepage. This is a great way to ensure that your brand is instantly recognizable to anyone visiting your site or reading your content. Keep in mind that when designing your wordmark, the recommended dimensions are at least 1344 by 256 pixels. Additionally, the aspect ratio should not exceed 21.4 to ensure that your image displays correctly without distortions. By following these steps, you'll have your Substack wordmark live in just a few clicks. Taking the time to implement a well-designed wordmark can significantly enhance the professional appearance of your publication, making a positive first impression on your readers. So take a moment to ensure that your image meets these specifications for the best possible display. That's it! By simply navigating through the Substack settings, uploading your custom image and adhering to the recommended dimensions, you're set to visually elevate your publication. Thank you for joining me in today's walkthrough. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials for tips on optimizing your online presence. Until next time, happy publishing!